Super 6 Send It Sundays. I got my Ovonics in here, 6S. I put a heat sink on there and put the backflip 4S's on here. Let's see what she does. And that's what I'm talking about, boys. And with these tires on it, it's a whole nother animal. See what she does hard. This is a Super 6 Send It Sunday, so. Beautiful. Oh, damn. That wasn't good. Somehow I bent my shock tower in the front, looks like, back a little bit, but she's all right. Powerhouse with these wheels on it, man. Well, let's go ahead and hit this thing. I've yet to hit it. Speed yet. I'd like to. I'm gonna have to go out here further if I want to hit full speed. Try to ease into it now. Here we go. Super 6 Send It Sunday. Oh, it's so touchy. Oh, damn it. Well, hell. Good thing I brought another truck. I hope this truck works. Here we go. Let's see if we can actually get some footage of this thing. I had to turn my steering trim all the way one way on this thing, though, to get it to go straight, so. Ouch. Tore myself up a rock. Well, she ain't liking to hit it right. There she goes. There she goes. Oh, God dang. God dang, that broke something, I think. Super 6 Send It Sunday, boys, let's go. Oh, that broke it for sure. Dang. My brand new arm I just put on it. Shit! Well, there it is, boys. There's your Super 6 Send It Sunday. Short, sweet. I kind of like to hit the gas at the last second on both cars and just broke them both arms. So, and it's real cold out here. And we was launching them. So, you ain't doing something you love, you're doing something wrong. Let's see the damage here. Brand new arm. Just put on it, literally. Yeah, it snapped right through the arm. Daggone, pulled it right through the end of that, boys and girls. Look at that. Is my hinge pin in there? Nope, it's gone. I gotta find my hinge pin, damn it. Oh, man. Did it just rip my hinge pin out or did it break the arm? I don't know if it broke it or not. I can't tell. Actually, I think it just pulled my hinge pin out, actually, y'all, out of the holders there. So let me find my hinge pin, and this might not be really broke. We drug her from back here. We drug her ass, so let's see. We should be able to find a hinge pin right here laying. Bam, there it is. Boom, you cow. It snapped the hinge pin, y'all. That's what it did. Snapped an M2C hinge pin right there. So I'll call M2C and see if they can send me a new one for that. But yeah, there it is, guys. M2C hinge pin snapped. But let me show you this real quick. Well, I got you here. I don't ever show this thing enough, and it's a bad mamma jamma. This ain't your old regular old OUTCAST 8S. As you can tell, it's extended. For my new people that ain't never seen this bad, dude. All right, so what we got in here is a Max 4 ESC from Hobby Wing, 800 kV or 1100 kV in here right now. Sorry, 1100 kV Hobby Wing motor. It's got a complete Vidavon chassis, all Vidavon bracing. Look at this Vidavon, guys. Just check that out. Vidavon bulkhead in the rear end. Vidavon drive shafts. It's got Vidavon hubs and knuckles. Vidavon top plate, Vidavon links. Yeah, 3DRC wing mount, or bumper stop and wing mount. Yeah, I didn't break my arm, guys. Brand new arm. I thought I broke my brand new arm. That's an RPM one. I got brand new one at home for it too, but it just snapped the hinge pin. It did crack my arm though. Look at that. Stress crack there in the middle. That's where my grub screws are going through, or my yeah. You know what I'm talking about. My droop is going through, but yeah, these are Vidavon battery trays too, by the way. It came with it. Vidavon motor mount that comes with it. Vidavon back thing for the back of the motor support. Like, yeah, she's a bad girl, y'all. But that's gonna do it. You ain't doing something you love, doing something wrong. Basher Queen body extender, Pyro Nitro body skids. All right, y'all. Peace out. Y'all, so on the ASUGA, I broke the arm. I bent the shock tower back, and that's it on this one, I think. And on this one, I snapped the hinge pin. That's it, though. Other than that, they're good. Got the parts coming for this. This thing is an animal on these forest backflips, y'all. An animal. Oh, body mount's broke, too. And I broke a battery strap so far. Body mount, battery strap, bent shock tower, and broken arm. But that arm is 33 degrees, and I landed hard as hell on it. So, not really its fault. Good job, little buddy. I'm proud of you. Sorry I treat you so bad, man. That's bullshit. You're brand new and I'm breaking you. I'll do better next time, man.